Dear friends, in this video we will learn about the basic construction of a sentence in English. I have taken a small and simple sentence for explanation to make it easy to understand. That is, Ram killed Ravan. We write or speak out a sentence to say about something or somebody. Here in this sentence, we want to say about Ram. Thus, Ram is the subject. The action he does is killed. That is the verb. The result of the action is received by Ravan. Thus, Ravan is the object. In English language, a sentence is normally formed always in this order: subject, verb, object. That is, verb is placed immediately after the subject. If we say it in Telugu, Ramudu Ravanuni champenu. That is subject, object, verb. You will see the difference, that the verb is placed at the end of the sentence. In any Indian language, the construction of a sentence is in this order only. See the example in Hindi. Ram Ravan ko mara. That is subject, object, verb. Even if the sentence is bigger, the verb is placed at the extreme end of it. Example, Ram ne Ravan ko baan se mara. In English language, the verb is placed immediately after the subject, unlike in the Indian languages. This is the main difference we should take care while forming a sentence in English. When we want to say or write out about somebody or something, we start with it, that is subject, continue with its action, that is verb, and then the receiver of the action, that is the object, like in Ram killed Ravan. With some practice of the process, you can be very good at English language. To support your learning, in the next part of this video, I have given tense, that is active voice 12 sentences and passive voice 8 sentences of the Ram killed Ravan. Just to make your understanding easy, I have underlined the verb variations in the present, past and future tenses. Further, the three tenses are projected in the four types, that is simple, continuous, perfect and perfect continuous. I am sure you will find the presentation learners friendly. It is easy to understand and to learn by heart the 20 tense forms. If you follow the instructions in this video, you can put your learning spoken English on the fast track. I am going to bring a few more videos of essential English grammar in very easy to understand format. Please subscribe my channel to keep yourselves updated in this regards. As always, I wish you all a happy learning. Thank you.